Hello everyone, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Okay students, we are going to start with the fifth solution. As you can see, it is written 2304 divided by 43. We will be doing the division for this solution and then we have to write in the rough work the 43 table work. It is necessary for us to be sure and not to commit any mistakes. Now let's start with this solution. 2304 divided by 43. So we will be writing 2304 divided by 43. 43 is called as divisor and 2304 is called as dividend. 2 is a smaller number, 43 is a bigger number. So we will be writing 0. 43 zeros, the answer will come as 0. We will put the minus sign and then we are going to subtract. 2 minus 0, answer will come as 2. Then we are going to pull down the next number, that is number 3 with an arrow, and we will be writing 23. Total will come as 23. As you can see, 23 is a smaller number than 43. So what we will be doing, again we will be writing 43. 3's answer will come as 0 and answer will subtract and we'll get the answer as 23. Next number we are going to pull down is 0. Now we have to see to it that 230, less than 230, any numbers we can find it out in the table of 43. As you can see, 43 6 is 258 and 43 5 is 215. Now which number is smaller number? Smaller number is 43 5 are 215. So we will be writing 43 5 are 215 minus, and we know the answer, 230 minus 215, answer will come as 15, and we'll pull the arrow and we'll write the next number, that is 154. As you can see it over here, 43 4 is 172 and 43 3 is 129. So we will be writing 43 3 is 129 with a minus sign, and we will get the last answer, that is remainder, and the remainder answer will come, and the remainder answer will come as 25. Now in the question they have given us very clearly to find out the quotient and the remainder. So 53 is called as quotient and 25 is called as remainder. So we will be writing over here R, which is called as remainder. We will be writing here Q, which is called as quotient. But in the form of the answer we have to write quotient and remainder, which I will be writing it over here. As you can see, my dear students, I have written the answer, quotient 53, remainder 25, remainder 25. Now let's complete the last one, that is the sixth one, 56,741 divided by 26. As I have uploaded in the YouTube the sixth sum, the last sum, which was the difficult sum, about 5 and 6 digit number. This is the same. Now we are going to do it actually from the problem set number 15, textbook page number 19 and 20. Okay students, let's see the last sum, that is 56,741 divided by 26. As you can see, I have not written it over here. We will do directly the division because this is a bigger number, so we require this much of space. And you can see in the rough work I have written the table of 26. Now let's start doing directly with the solution, that is 56,741 divided by 26. So we will be writing 56,741 divided by 26. 26 is the divisor and 56,741 is called as the dividend. Now 5 is a smaller number, 26 is a bigger number, so we will be writing 0 26 zeros are, answer will come as 0. We are going to do the minus sign and then we are going to subtract. 5 minus 0, answer will come as 5. We are going to pull down with an arrow the next number, that is called as 6. 56 we have got. Can you see it over here everyone? 26 2s is 52. So we will be writing 26 2s 52 and we will minus. Now 56 minus 52, answer will come as 4. You can write directly 4 or even you can write 04 so that we will not get confused what happened with this solution. So you can also write 5 minus 5 is 0 and 6 minus 2 is 4. With an arrow we will write the next number, that is number 7. Now as it is seen over here that 26 2s is 52 and less than 52 which number is there? That is 26. So what we will be writing? 26 1s are 26 with a minus sign and then we are going to subtract 47 minus 26. You can see 47 minus 26, answer will come as 21. Now this subtraction you have to do it mentally everyone. Now we are going to pull down with an arrow the next number, that is number 4. Now what is the answer? It is 214. Now we have to check it out that in 226 table 214 less than any numbers are there or what? While multiplying. 26 8s is 208 and 26 9s is 234. 234 is a bigger number and 208 is a smaller number. So what we will be doing? We will be writing as 26 8s. 26 8s is 208 minus and then we are going to write the answer as 6. Okay, we know 214 minus 208 will get the answer as 6. Now what we will be doing after we get the 6, we are going to write the next number, that is number 1. And as you can see 26 3s is 78 and 26 2s is 52. So what we will be writing? 26 2s is 52 and we will write minus and we will get the last solution, that is number 9. Now what is this number 9? Number 9 is called as, now what is this number 9 called as? Number 9 is called as remainder. 2182 is called as the quotient. Now we will be writing it in the form of an answer. Answer quotient is 2182 and remainder is only 9. Students, see here, 2182 is called as quotient. I have written it over here in the form of an answer, and 9 which is called as remainder, that also I have written. So students, we have completed problem set number 15. Solve the following and write the quotient and the remainder, all the 6 sums. Now we will be doing the word problem. Okay, thank you everyone.